which dialect is your orthography based on?
Yeah, so this is a question we get a lot. And the question is what dialect is the Cademia Siciliana orthography based on? This idea that a language has to be based on a prestige dialect is not necessarily correct. Many languages are, in fact, a standardized form of a prestigious regional dialect. But we're really trying to avoid that. We really want a more inclusive approach. So what we've tried to do is, first of all, include as much variety as possible in the way that people can write Sicilian, because that's how we use Sicilian. Second of all, we've tried to base it on the way that people naturally accommodate speech with each other. Accommodation means that it's a technique people use when they speak different varieties of a language to make themselves better understood. The other thing that we try to do is look at where there's etymological forms of words that are held in common. For example, there's a lot of ways to say the word flower in Sicilian. Churi, shuri, huri. All three of these have the same etymological form. And second of all, everyone is aware of the shuri and churi form because of music, signage, and other ways it's become present in their lives. So we try to focus on the more easily normed words or conventions, and then whenever there just genuinely exist different ways to say this word across the island, we just try to include as many of these as possible into our orthography. So we're trying to balance usability, comprehension, and diversity. And sometimes, honestly, it's quite arbitrary. But we just try to do this in an inclusive way so as many people get to talk about it, so no one variety is feeling left out or not being properly included.